In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do two-player split screen here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your PlayStation 5 or your Xbox. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. If we could help you out further, I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is load into Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your main account on your console. I'm already logged in right now, so I don't need to do that. On the right side of your screen, you're going to see a message that says add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. Essentially, grab your second controller and connect it to your console. And when the pop-up does appear, assign the controller to a different user profile. Just make sure that profile is logged into a separate Activision account. This is required. And once that profile is selected, press X or A if you're on an Xbox to join split screen. After pressing X to join, the second account will sign in, and you'll see both accounts on the right side of your screen over here. Now, using your main account and your main controller, go ahead and press Find a Match down here and pick any game mode that you want: Team Deathmatch, Domination, Hardpoint, etc. And essentially, as soon as you pick that, both players are going to load into a lobby automatically in split screen. You can use the menu buttons on each controller, like L1 and R1, to navigate loadouts and settings separately for each account. But whenever the match does start, you'll be fully in split screen, and both players can choose their guns, classes, and settings. Everything works exactly like traditional Call of Duty split screen, and you can even swap between controllers and play normally. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.